Hi guys, my name is Sarah, and today I'm going to tell you about my personal brand and how it reflects me. So first I have my consistency and professionalism. I'm not terribly consistent with posting on any of my social medias, but if I had to pick one that I post on the most, it'd probably be Instagram. I post about maybe once a month or more, but I don't post a ton, but when I do, it goes on Instagram. And then for my professionalism, I have my Facebook that I've had for many years now, and on it I post a lot of just what I do around town or whatever I do for fun in my free time. But also, I am a frequent buyer of Facebook Marketplace, and I truly believe that it's one of the greatest things created. And 90% of my house I bought off of Facebook Marketplace because you can haggle with people and find good deals on gently used items. Um, for my personality, I have mostly it shown through my Instagram and my Snapchat. On my Instagram, I just post fun pictures of what I'm doing or where I am, who I'm hanging out with. And then on my Snapchat, it's more personal, mostly just exchanges between me and my friends. And every once in a while, I post on my story of a little bit more unique things that Instagram doesn't need to see, but maybe Snapchat does. And that is my personal branding.